Hi, this is Nathan Wynn from Inomatic LLC. This Power Apps for Beginners video is a continuation from the last video where we create a function in a toggle controls and then calling it by triggering a change with variables that we pass to. Now, if you would like to utilize a function in another screen, you cannot simply just change the control. You can't call the function because you cannot trigger a control that is not on the current view. So today, I will show you the issues. I will provide a clean solution for you. Let's get started. We will start by duplicating the main screen, and I will rename this as for screen, another view. We will remove the toggle control here because our goal is to trigger the one in the main. I need a way to navigate back and forth between the two screens. I'll insert an icon, drag it here, change to 35, change to green, and change the icon to back. In the onSelect command, I navigate to S main screen page. I go ahead and copy it, paste here. This is next. Navigate to screen, another view. If we test it out and go to another view, in another view, when you don't see the toggle control, you enter 15 divided by 3, hit calculate. 15 divided by 3 equals 0, which is incorrect. Looking at the code here, we know that we're getting the variables value 1 and 2 from the two text boxes here, so that's all good. But when we try to run the function math by triggering the change in the toggle, that didn't occur. If we hit play, go back, the calculation happened. So why is that? So the calculation only occurs when the control is present, and so we need to somehow have a link to this control from this view. The way to deal with it is to insert a label control in another view. We change this to function math link. So in the main, we obtain the name of the control, function math. We go to another view. In the label, in the text property, we enter in the toggle control name dot value. So right now we know that it has a value of true. If we hit play and we do multiplication, the answer is 45. The trigger, the control was true, now it's false. If we enter 55 minus 45 and we hit calculate, we get the value of 10. So all you have to do right now, you put this control somewhere, make the size smaller, and have the visibility to false. Let's try this again. 55 multiplied by 45, calculate 2,475. So you're successfully able to trigger a control in another screen, and you're able to call a function remotely. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you like it, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. It's free to you and it helped me greatly. Alright, see you on the next video. Bye bye now.